All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What I would like to do today is go over Reconstruction in South Carolina Part 1 and show you a new slide that's going to be included each and every day. All right. So let's see if we can't blow this bad boy up for you a little bit. Let's do the presenter view. All right. So here we go. Reconstruction South Carolina Part 1. And here is that new slide that's going to be around here for us. We're going to be giving you guys an agenda, a daily agenda. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, what we're going to be doing, what you're going to need to complete all these assignments, any important announcements that are to be made, and sort of kind of a rundown of what we're doing. So do your attendance in the upper left, tells you what day it is. Hawk Focus, all about the Google Docs provided, the lesson video that I'm recording now, and then the assignment that you need to do when it's all said and done. So let's get right down to business because we don't have long. State Standard 85.3 needs you to summarize the successes and failures of Reconstruction in South Carolina, including the creation of political, educational, and social opportunities for African Americans, the rise of discriminatory groups such as the KKK, and withdrawal of federal protection. Because remember, there was a lot of federal troops. So we have a brand new constitution in our state because it was required, and it was a Reconstruction policy from the radical Republicans. And every state that had seceded needed a new state constitution. A convention was held in Charleston for South Carolina to write this new constitution, and over half of the delegates were African American. So we had a lot of former slave input in our new constitution. But many whites boycotted this convention because they said, well, they don't have education, they don't have this, they don't have that. How can they really participate and do anything meaningful in this process? And they were pretty upset about it. Under the new Constitution, women could own property after they were married, and divorce was legalized, and public schools were set up for everyone. So, hey, you're welcome. That's why you're in public school now. And it kind of changed the wave of the way the South did business socially. Okay, this new Constitution completely changed the way the South did business. Under the new Constitution, African American males gained the right to vote, to hold office, and to really be a contributing, respected member of society. However, it didn't exactly go that way, even though on paper they could. It didn't really turn out that way. African Americans in government, they held a lot of greater political power in South Carolina than any other state because there were so many. They held every office in government except the governor. Remember, Robert Smalls was a member of Congress for both South Carolina and the United States. Most of the men were from the middle class. They were literate, meaning that they could speak and read and write, and they had been born free and were not slaves. Okay, so they kind of knew what they were doing already, not someone uneducated. The legacy of the Republican government. We have freedom schools, and these were schools set up by the Freedmen's Bureau, and freedmen were eager to learn, ready to figure out a new way to get a new job, and African American literacy rates drastically increased, meaning they learned how to read and write and communicate, bring them, up to par with everyone else. All right, so let us pause this bad boy here, and we're going to post this video for you. And what I want you to do is take your time today, do the attendance. Okay, so make sure that you let's see if I can get back all the way here. Make sure that you do your attendance. Make sure you complete the Hawk Focus on the Google Doc. Make sure you watch this video, okay? And make sure you complete your assignment that'll be on a Google form. I'll have all this stuff posted here in the next hour. So you guys have a wonderful and great day. I'm going to be doing a Google Hangout at about 10 o'clock this morning. All right? So you guys take care and have a great day.